Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix your thumbstick drift. Have you ever had thumbstick drift for a long time now? Eh, Like you're not even doing. I'm just pretending, but have you ever had thumbstick drift for a long time and it's going down for no reason without you doing anything? Well, I know how to fix that. First, go to library. First, go to library and go to settings. Now go to devices. Now go to controllers. And if you see thumbstick range and dead zone, um, you need to select the controller that you're having thumbstick drift on and just press it. See, I have thumbstick drift. I'm not even doing this. So mine is the right, but you can pick which controller is you could pick which controller is having thumbstick drift. Mine says right, by the way. Now you see that once you test it, it's going down. Or for you, or for any other person, it's going up or down. I don't know. But mine's is down. Just press collaborate. If you see this, just press skip. Now adjust the dead zone. Change it to 100. Like, change it to 100. Press next. Now you can see your new controller. Not a new controller, but like. You see that it's not going down anymore? Yeah. Now press confirm. And bam, you have successfully fixed thumbstick drift. By the way, if you're trying to move the thumbstick and it's like not doing anything, it does it sometimes, but is not doing anything. All you need to do is you need to press trigger and then you can move it. Basically like that. And let me know if this helped. Let me know if this helped, by the way. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.